teaching you math of class 9. So, find there are some questions which we can solve, and one question 12.1, question number 4, question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25, and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find the area. So here in this question, question number 5, exercise 12.1. Question number 5. Find the sides of triangles are in the ratio. Ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. Ratios and its perimeter. Perimeter means sum of three sides is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Here length of sides are not given, but ratio of three sides are given. So solution. Since sides are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. Therefore, sides are ratio after ratio you put a constant term, so that this will be the length of the side. 12 means 12k, suppose, comma 17 second side, so 17k, and 25k. If ratios are given, and to find the length after ratio you write any constant term, k, c, whatever you may say, respectively. Therefore, according to question, perimeter is given. Perimeter means sums of three sides, 12k plus 17k plus 25k is equal to 540 centimeter. Because you know sum of all the other sides is called perimeter. So sum of this side is 12k, 17k and 25k. This is the perimeter, but perimeter is given 540. Therefore, k is equal to 540. Therefore, k is equal to 540 by 54 is equal to 10. Therefore, sides are, one side is equal to 12K is equal to 12 into 10, 120 centimeter. Second side is equal to 17K, 17 into 10, 170 centimeter. Third side is equal to 25K is equal to 250 centimeter. Now, value of three sides we have actually got. So, and we have done some questions also. And in the questions, if sides of a triangle are such, then you are asked to find the area. Same question. Therefore, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. No matter what will be A, 120 plus B 170 plus C 250 by 2. Now we have taken the road, and I think that since we have done a question in the previous chapter, so now all of you are able to solve this question, yes or no? So you can do yourself. Next question is, I am giving the hint, 6 number. You have the book, so this is, according to your book, this is the question of exercise 12.1, question number 5. What is the question? An isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has perimeter has perimeter 30 centimeter, and each of equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Isosceles triangle. First know the meaning. A triangle whose only two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. So, each equal side 12 centimeter. So, AB is equal to AC 12 centimeter. This is also 12 centimeter, and perimeter is given but side is not given. let third side is equal to x. Therefore, according to question, perimeter means sum of three sides 12 plus x is equal to perimeter 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter. Sum of three sides and it is called perimeter, but perimeter is given or 24 plus x is equal to 30. Therefore, x is equal to 30 minus 24, 6 centimeter. So, three sides are given. BC is equal to 6 centimeter. So, now you can do the sum, but using Heron's method, but I am applying another method also. AD is drawn from A. We draw AD perpendicular to BC and perpendicular to BC. And now, if we draw from the vertex and a perpendicular to its base in a isosceles triangle, then this perpendicular divides the base, bisects the base, means intersects the base into two parts, and this perpendicular bisects the vertical angle also. Since ABC is an isosceles triangle, and AD is perpendicular, this is a sign of perpendicular BC. Therefore, BD is, I am writing small. Therefore, AD bisects BC. Therefore, bisects means दो बराबर भागों में बांटना. BD is equal to DC is equal to BC by 2 is equal to BC 6 by 2, 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter and this is BD is equal to DC is equal to BC by 2. So 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Find the value of AD. Therefore, in right triangle ADB, right triangle I am telling because this is perpendicular, so this angle will be 90 degree and the opposite sides of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is given and one side is given. Second side, you know the formula AD. You have to find AD. Under root AB square minus BD square is equal to 12 square minus 3 square is equal to 144 minus 9 is equal to under root what way 135. Eh? It should be 135. See clear or there is any wrong? Eh? 135 12 6 So 135 root over 135 so it will be written as here I am writing mind it after here we are writing here. So root over 135 means 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 4, 2, 3, take 1, 3. But here 5 and 3. Pair is not given pair, therefore 15 centimeter. So we find the height, then area of the triangle ABC half into base BC into height AD. All values are given. It will be equal to half into BC 6 into height 3 root 15 2 3 ja 9 root 15 you may write centimeter square. If at any place calculation is wrong, then you can do the correct calculation because I am doing all the calculation on the board. Now we are going to solve the questions of exercise 12.2. Any question? Suppose we are doing question number 1. Let us see first a part on the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. C is equal to BC is equal to. Let us start first question. What is given? Let us see. Because I have not seen the question, I think I know. Exercise 12.2. Suppose question number 1. A part, I think that all of you have book. So, if I do not write the question and only write question number, then I think that you write the question. So, this is question number 1 of 12.2. What is asked in the question? A park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. According to the question, ABCD, quadrilateral means chaturbhuj in English. Has angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. You can name from anywhere, but since angle C is 90 degree, so I have kept C on the base, left side of the base, and then so it will be convenient for you to understand. C is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree angle C. AB is equal to 9. AB is equal to 9 meter according to the question. BC is equal to 12 meter. This is BC. CD is equal to 5 meter. This is CD, 5 meter. And AD is equal to 8 meter. AD, 8 meter. So that how much area does it occupy? मतलब यह कितना एरिया जो है घेरेगा, ऑक्युपाई करना का मतलब घेरेगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी जॉइन, दिस इज 90 degree, so join DB. Solution, we join DB or BD, whatever you may say. This is right angle triangle. Therefore, in right triangle DCB, base is given, perpendicular is given for this angle. This is 90 degree, so this will be hypotenuse. So DB, hypotenuse, is equal to under root perpendicular square CD or DC, whatever you may say, plus CB square. 5 square, 12 square. (169) under root 13 centimeter. So this is 13 centimeter. Now area of the quadrilateral is equal to sum of the area of both triangle, area of triangle DCB, plus area of triangle, this triangle, second triangle, DBA, ADB, and area of this triangle. Because this is right angle triangle, so do not apply Heron's formula, it will take some time, long time. So area of triangle is equal to half right triangle DCB, half into base CB into height DC, half into CB12 into 5, 30 centimeter square. And for this triangle, area of this triangle, since three sides are given, so using Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, you can draw. You can find this area of this upper triangle. So area of the quadrilateral is equal to area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. So after finding the area of both triangle, you can substitute these values and add them, so that you will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Clear? So I think today this is sufficient. What question you have done? 1, 2, 3? 3 or 2? 3. Thank you.